Hi, welcome to Chicago Magazine's In the Kitchen. Today we're making a roasted root vegetable piccata from the chefs at Boulevard. So first things first, we're gonna chop a whole bunch of vegetables. As you can see, I already chopped many bunches of vegetables. So we've got about 2/3 of a cup of broccolini, 2/3 of a cup of radishes, and then about 2/3 of a cup of these turnips. And then also you want about one roughly diced parsnip as well. With all of these, the dice can be super rough. And then you're gonna toss in a little bit of olive oil, just about a couple teaspoons. Just follow your heart on the amount. You don't need a ton because these vegetables are gonna go in the oven to roast. So just enough to like give them a little bit of a coating, but not enough to make them like drown in it. And then a little bit of, there's no pepper in this pepper mill, of course. Let's try this again. Oh yeah. Couple of grinds there. A couple of pinches of salt here. And then toss it up and we'll pop it in the oven. So once you're ready, these will go into a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, so while the vegetables are roasting, we're gonna get the sauce going. We're gonna start by cooking our garlic. So a little bit of olive oil into the pan. Add the garlic. Just wanna cook it for about a minute or so. You don't need it, don't want it to burn. All right, add some butter. And let it melt all the way. And once it's fully incorporated, you're gonna turn up the heat a little bit to about medium high. So get it cranking. And then you're gonna add in about half a cup of white wine. And cook that, let it cook down a little bit. It's gonna be nice and fragrant. You have to let it reduce a little bit. It shouldn't take super long, about half a minute or so. But just whisking so as to keep the garlic from burning. Then once it's reduced a bit, you're gonna add in some capers and some chopped up Italian parsley, about a tablespoon and a half. And just let it simmer a little bit. Then you can go ahead and remove it from the heat. All right, let's serve this bad boy. So, I'm gonna take all these beautiful roasted vegetables and put them in a bowl, a nice big mixing bowl. Then we're gonna add our sauce and kind of toss it a little bit to coat. So, get all the goodness in and get to pouring. Okay. So once you've got the sauce all poured in, you're just gonna stir it so the vegetables all get nice and coated and covered in deliciousness. Okay, cool. And now you are ready to enjoy it. Got about enough for two, so get it in a bowl. Then you're gonna top it with another pinch of capers, a little bit more chopped parsley, and then a little bit of salt to finish it off, and you're ready to go. All right, so let's give this guy a taste. It's nice because the vegetables are roasted. They still have a little bit of texture and like a little bit of structure to them. They're not just like totally mush, so you get that nice interplay between the sauce and the vegetables themselves. They're not just like totally overpowered by it. This feels like something that would be great for, you know, January, when all you want to do is like hide in your house and never leave it again, and sit on your couch and never leave it again. Or maybe that's just me. And, you know, just take care of some feelings inside. I think this would be great for that. And also, I think it would go great with the rest of this wine, so I'm correct.